Welcome to the heart of Morocco, to a city that breathes life into shades of blue, a place known as Chefchaouen, a place where every alleyway is a canvas, every corner a masterpiece of blue hues. The city's streets, with their uniquely painted houses, carry tales of history, culture, and a tradition that has been passed down through generations. As we navigate through the city's vibrant heart, we find ourselves in Uta El Hammam Square, a lively hub of interaction and culture. Here, the aroma of mint tea fills the air, and the Grand Mosque stands tall, a testament to the city's rich heritage. It's not just a destination, but a crossroads where stories from different parts of the world converge. Yet the charm of Chefchaouen extends beyond its blue cityscape, reaching into the breathtaking vistas of the Rif Mountains. Here, nature unfurls its beauty in all its grandeur, offering tranquil waterfalls, dense cedar forests, and a sense of peace that only untouched nature can provide. Back in the city, we delve into the world of traditional crafts. The skilled hands of local artisans mold unique creations from ceramics, weave intricate designs into tapestries, and breathe life into fabrics. Every piece is not just a souvenir, but a part of Chefchaouen's soul you can carry back home. The city's culinary landscape is a gastronomic delight, offering dishes like tagines and pastillas that are as authentic as they are delicious. The local markets are a treasure trove of traditional sweets and snacks, each bite a journey into the heart of Moroccan cuisine. As the sun sets, the sounds of Berber music fill the air, the rhythm of the city's heartbeat. An evening of dance and music here is an immersion into the rich tapestry of Berber culture, a glimpse into the soul of Chefchaouen. In Chefchaouen, we find not just a city of blue houses and scenic landscapes, but a place of warm hospitality and beautiful narratives. The city's tales tell of the significance of its blue and white aesthetic, of legends passed down through generations, and traditions that remain strong to this day. A journey through Chefchaouen is a journey through time, culture, and nature. It's a place that leaves its mark on you, a place that beckons you to return. So, if you ever find yourself in Morocco, remember to add Chefchaouen to your list. Until the next adventure, remember to share the magic of Chefchaouen with others, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and spread the word. Until then, keep exploring.